Hi parents, let's help our kids to have a good handwriting. Use a ruled book. Use a nice pen or pencil and always remember to use a quality one. And use the ruled book and not the plain book. Develop a good sitting posture. Sit up straight, keeping your neck and back as straight as possible. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Slumping or dropping down leads to back, neck, and shoulder pain. If you are a right-handed person, place the right corner of the book high and tilt towards the left. If you are a left-handed person, place the left corner of the book high and tilt towards the right. Warm up your hands. Flex your hands for 5 seconds. Roll your wrist for 5 seconds. This helps loosen your muscle. Grip of a pen. Many people grip the pen or pencil too hard, which often leads to sore hands and results in a sloppy handwriting. So, don't apply excess pressure, it creates an impression on the next page. Always have a nice relaxing grip and maintain a good handwriting. So, always prefer a soft and comfortable grip. Spacing of letters. While you're writing, keep the spacing between the letters and words consistent. Encourage the child to use a finger space between words and physically place their finger on the paper. Now suppose you have a tendency to stick your letters too much and you might try to space it out a little bit. And if you write letters very far, try to reduce it. In short, just be consistent. Draw shapes. Letters are combinations of basic shapes. In order to improve your handwriting, spend time drawing shapes. You need to draw some vertical lines, some diagonal lines, circles, inverted U, U, open curve and closed curve. Slants in writing. People use different slants in writing. Right slant, left slant and straight. So keep the slants consistent. Tangle. When we try to write something in hurry, we try to tangle the letters. So try avoiding this. Don't tangle letters and words. Practice writing alphabets. Practice writing alphabets from small letters to capital letters, just like how you were taught in your kindergarten. Practice writing daily. Connection. While writing, stop joining letters. Write each letter very clearly. Analyzing the handwriting. In order to improve your handwriting, you need to evaluate your starting point. Practice writing any paragraph from textbooks, newspapers, or storybooks, etc. Check the alignment if the words tend to be written on upward or downward angle. Do they overlap the lines on the page? make sure to write every words in same direction and same angle. Look at the spacing. The distance between your words and letters helps to determine the quality of your handwriting. There should be enough space between each words. Look for a slant. A slight slant is not a problem, but too much of one can make reading difficult. Handwriting does not fetch extra marks, but it plays an important role during your exams. Poor handwriting and overwriting makes the examiner difficult to understand the answer. So good handwriting makes the examiner work easier, readable and understandable. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for my channel for more content on parenting. Thanks for watching.